Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Here, let's get the poll up. Is the stock market going to... Hey, top of the morning, Ken. Close. Good morning, Mom. Red or green today? Oh, hold up. That went in the wrong spot. Hey, top of the morning, elegant boom. Oh. Dang, I gotta take it to the top. Top of the morning, Chuckwooty. Here, let's see. Red. Oh, I cannot type today. Green. Break even. All right, there we go. Hey, let's turn on the live chat. Hey, shout out to the 9 people that already smashed the like button. Good morning, my life be like. Good morning, Mahishu. Good morning, Tyler. Hey, yes, that is a good question. What is up, people? I would imagine all y'all are, because y'all got out of bed, or maybe y'all are still in bed. I don't know, but I would imagine y'all are up. Stock market's up. That's good. A lot of green in my portfolio. Very, very interesting day. Yeah, Nvidia's earnings after hours. We got the Fed this evening too. Did I say good morning, Natasha? Don't mean to overlook over here. Good morning, Natasha. The community. Hey. Glad you're up. Glad you made it up. All that good stuff. Here, let's move this up. I know. Oh, let me move this up. It's like I had my head cut off. All right. Yo, hold up. Let me get my balance board. I need to do stuff while I'm streaming today. Ankles been kind of, I don't know. I think they've been weakening. Can't have that. Show the lights. Good morning, Nap. Hey, top of the morning. Daryl, hey, welcome. Hey, happy to have you. Hey, Glowify, good morning. Ha hee hee. Excellent morning. Top of the morning, and Bills. Hey, got my rowing? Okay. Yo, I've been like up late more recently, so I haven't been able to get my stuff in before the market opens. I've been having to get my stuff like after. So it's like been like, oh yeah, after the streams I like eat, then I get my exercise. But I think my days are best when I get them in the morning. But yeah, hey, glad to hear you're already at it. Already got it in. Nvidia going up or down? Up. So in order for Nvidia to go up, they need to, like, Nvidia, they're going to beat their earnings, but they need to destroy their earnings to keep moving up. So it's like there's no telling what's in the pipeline. It's like it can go all sorts of ways. Like if you consider the fact that, hey, there were tariffs and people may have wanted to get orders in before the tariffs, maybe their sales went up like crazy and they sold more. But also, it's like, I think it also takes time to get those orders in. So I don't know. Maybe people are like, oh, it's not going to come in time. Let me slow down or hold off. So we'll really just have to see. There's a reason I'm not playing it. It's at a critical level, and really, it's like either. Wait, is that where? It's like I can see it either going. I mean, first either to 130 if it's 131. If it goes below that, it's either like 116 or 150. I like the idea of 130 or 150 would being where it goes. Let's see. Mr. P 365. Hey, rise and grind, top of the morning. Joey V, good morning. Hey, it's up to you to change your life. It's like I want to change your life, but it's you that's got to do it. Here, let's see. What's that? Descurve top of the morning. Nvidia to the moon. Hey, let's see it. Let's see it. Here, let's see. Hey, Frank, Grand Rising. Is SPX staying neutral, you think, today? I definitely don't see it going past. I'm not even able to think ahead to Friday, honestly. Let's see. So the SPY they did create on Wednesday, the 21st. They created, so about a week ago, they created a supply zone. And like we are on the 4 hour, like in an uptrend again. But this is a zone. So I think something we could potentially look for is there is some liquidity to be taken at about 592.62. If it just keeps pushing through that, then we might just rip through it. But there is a supply zone there. So maybe I should here, let me draw this. There's some liquidity to be taken up here. Let's see. Tariff talk needs to stop. Hey, I think if we look out like a year or two, we'll be in a much better situation for everything that's happened. But yeah, it does. It does. Institutions buying Bitcoin has it. Here, let's see. I hadn't even looked at Bitcoin today. Let's see what it's doing. Is it above? Oh, no. Yeah, until I see Bitcoin with a solid close above 110, I'm not convinced. What else was it? GME, let's see. Is it above 35 yet? Okay, it's there. It's there. Here, we'll pull that up down here. We'll watch it a little bit. Tesla calls were, oh yeah, Tesla. I looked at I didn't really look at the market yesterday, and I looked, and I'm like, oh, yeah, I'm green on stuff like this. Weeble call, I'm like, oh, I'm back in the green on it already. You see, this one's up 24%. I'm like, okay, that's a little quicker than I was expecting. Hey, Christine, top of the morning. If Nvidia crushes earnings, does this mean? Yeah, they will more than likely go up if Nvidia crushes their earnings. Master DRC, top of the morning. Glowify. Good night. Good night. Okay, well, hey, sleep tight. Sleep tight. Kareem, good morning. Hey, Joey V, that's definitely what I thought in my head when I said that. That's why I kind of laughed a little bit. PCE meetings usually either rise or drop. Yeah. But hey, my thing is we could rise or drop before then. So it's we gotta. Hey, it's almost one day at a time. We got a lot to go over today. Dwight, good morning. Evil Knievel, good morning. I sold out too early. Bro, you're talking about selling out too early. That contract that I got yesterday that I had set the stop loss on, that was probably the worst day to set a stop loss. Because that would have ended up $2 in the morning money. That would have been $30. And if I just let it expire on its own, would have been sold out solid. Let's see. Lucky J, good morning. Good morning. Randy, good morning. Nap, IBIT calls for mid-June. Hey, I wish you the best of luck. 25th, twice in a row. Not sure what it means. Hey, it means you coming in and smashing at 25. Let's get this vetted. I'm not in nothing. I have a full clip of. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. How's SoFi look? SoFi is still in that range. I think it's between 13 and 13.25 and 13.15 or 13.50. Yeah, so until SoFi passes one of those areas, um, it's chill. It's good. I would say it has a bullish lean to it. I play Roblox. Good morning. Alani Hill. Good morning. Hey, thank you to the 35 people who have smashed like. To the 34 who have not. Hey, I'll wait. You said life changing info, please. All right, hold on. I got like some fruit sauce stuff. Let's see. I appreciate you. Ha ha he he. First, this in the morning. Press. Oh yeah. Please press that like. All right. So hey Devin. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back. Hey, I'm doing well. All right, we got the market going live in about 20 seconds. What do I think about gold? Right now it should be pulling back while the market's coming up. I would say it's at a level. The market's at a level and gold's at a level. Um, I'll say we'll know a little bit more after Nvidia earnings. So we got the market open now. Then we drop to like a 15. Get a better look at things. Looking like we want to. Here, let me turn my EMAs on too. Looking like we want to kind of start by moving up a little bit. Hope we don't just start the day to go for it. It's like I never trust when we just start the day off like that. But yeah, we're up here chilling. All right, so the stocks are moving. Matt, good morning, good morning. Yo, why do I feel my phone vibrate? Chilling like a villain. I don't know if I'd be chilling if I were a villain. I know that's a very common term and saying, but I feel like villains always be like, oh, they gotta watch out for the superheroes. I'd be on edge if I were a villain. See, Smooth top in the morning. KULR easily my biggest loser. Need some life. Oh, that's why they sold off. Like, was it last week? They might, I feel like it's a big loser only, like, if you, like, sell when it's down. I feel like their time will come in the future. All right, so it looks like Nvidia is heading towards support for the day. I don't feel like Nvidia is really a good pickup to ride for the day. All right, and GME does not look like it wants to stay above that level. So yeah, GME has not confirmed. But yeah, to start the day, or at least looking at Nvidia and GME, it's kind of going for that support, but the SPY is like not really moving. Do I have any open contracts right now? I got the Weeble call. Yo, it's up. And we're up on that Weeble call. Let me take a look at it. Yeah, this is a good look for Weeble. It was like it was those levels it was at when we picked it up on Friday. Even right now, it still seems like a good level. But I was like, yo, when we come over here, I'm getting some time. I forgot when it expires though. Oh yeah, January of 2026. Scooped it. Yeah, that's a good buy in my opinion. We thinking calls today. I'm thinking the market is up and I like it. So it's like I get share my shares are my calls. It's like if we come to support and if we come early enough, yeah, I'll look at some calls, but right now I'm still hesitant. It's like too soon for me to really say anything. $40 on that hey, love to hear it, Christine. That you good morning. You mainly trade support and resistance? You can say that. Yeah, supply, demand, support, resistance, trend lines, they're pretty much all forms of support and resistance. I I mainly trade level to level. Honestly, I don't even think I know any other way to trade. I mean, I probably do, but it's like I can't think of any. Healthy pullback, yeah. I mean, it looks healthy if we get a pullback. Like I think we could go for one, but Fubo rising, yeah. The small caps are not honest, but like yeah, small caps they're seeing some upside. So honestly, it could be time to buy some of those cheaper plays. They might see some movement. Yeah, it looks like we're already trying to get pretty close to the resistance. Dang, Weeble's kind of going today. It's up almost 6%. Okay, Spy just no wait, never mind. Something just set my phone off. What is that? Oh, it looks like Robinhood. Here, let's see. Okay, Robinhood had hit resistance, and then I had Walmart hit something too. Okay, Walmart's they hit some kind of level. They would need to confirm above that. I'm not going to do anything with it, but dang, look at Weeble. Oh, there's some liquidity here though. So for those of you in shorter time, like maybe M cents, I don't know, maybe hey, you should be up. I would just say Weeble's doing this thing. Yeah, those contracts are already up 54%. I don't even know what's going on. Is there news on Weeble? Or is it just like, yo? I don't know. All right, let's see. T. Yeah, we can take a look at AT&T. My internet's been working a little bit better this past week. I think they've tried their best to earn some face time on the stream. I don't have too much to say for them right now. Looks like their range is tightening. I would say their range on the day is going to be from this 231 up to like 247, but beyond that they're in a tightening range. And then till they like push out, nothing really to say. I got alerts going off here. Oh, Spy. Okay, Spy is trying to push up here a little bit. Let's see. So there is some like older liquidity up here at here. I need to move that a little bit higher. Oh, I didn't realize. Hold on, let me straighten that out. At like 592.58. So yeah, if we push up there, no, that's a area where there is some liquidity, but It also looks like we may have just taken this morning's liquidity. I don't know. We gotta play the game of patience. My brokerage allows me to change my chart from lines to candlesticks. I'm trying to learn the difference. So I got a video, I think the main video on my page on like how to trade for beginners. I think that's like one of the first things after setting up the charts. The first thing I go into is like how to use like how to read a candlestick and whatnot. Highly recommend. George, good morning. Nicole, good morning. Yes, Nvidia is part of the S&P. It's a big part of it. Google finally going back up. Let's see. Oh yeah, it is. It is. Let's see. All right, so now there is some liquidity up here at this almost 177 on Google. Where started with $100 on Robinhood. I'm at 10 now. Anything you see, I can flip this $100 into today. If I could confidently give you something, hold up. It looks like SPY is potentially sweeping liquidity. If I could confidently give you something to flip $10 into, I would take that, because it's like, yo, let me take that same thing and put 200 towards it. And like if you get $1 on $10, that's like that's 20 on 200. So I'm gonna say no. It's gonna be, I would say that's tough. It's like everything that you're doing there is going to be a gamble. I would honestly say it's better to take that and like actually put it in something long term. Fubo up 5% on the day as well. Let's see. Where's Fubo? Where we at? Oh, there it goes. Okay. Bro, I'm gonna need Fubo to chill. I may just have to buy the shares. I don't know. It doesn't look like it's gonna pull back where I want it to. Is it too late to hop in Webull for the day? So the Webull that I'm in is not for the day. If you get the Webull I'm in, I mean, it's definitely not too late. It's very early. But like this Webull contract expires. Oh, there's a little stray cat outside. But this Webull contract expires in January 16th. And if we look at the Webull chart, Webull is they IPO'd in the beginning of April. They ran up to, I think they actually ran up to like 80 something, or I guess yeah, like $80. And then they sold off heavy, and there's just this liquidity up there that still needs to be taken. So my idea is, I got this call contract. I would like to see it. It'd be cool to see it get back to 50. And then it's like I might try to like sell some calls against it. And like if it comes back down, I might buy 100 shares or whatnot. Or maybe I just buy 100 shares, and then like once I buy my 100 shares at this price, I think my 100 shares would be at like 22. I could sell some calls whenever it gets back up here. I don't know. We'll see. Let's see. I got of my bull, wanted to start fresh, took a loss. Dang. Was typing this as you pointed out what it was. Oh, that's wild. Dang. Sorry to hear that, in sense. Yeah, I was like, the profit was actually pretty good this morning, but At least you got your fresh start. SPY going down. It's at a level of liquidity. It could. It's like what this is I think it's 4 hour liquidity. Yeah, it's 4 hour liquidity, so it could take some time for it to move down. So yeah, it's like it could very well take to like this could be a slow burn. So once again, I'm just gonna watch this and let it do its thing slowly. I'm not gonna try to go against it, but also it would take a lot for me to get in on that too. OKLO. OKLO. They had earnings the other day. I think they did poorly. Right? Wait, what was this? This is no. I guess that's I'm thinking of something else. No, I was thinking of Okta. What is OKLO? It looks overbought. Solid little trend, but yeah, I don't know what to say about this one. You got support kind of down at 52.51, and it's like broke resistance, but you will want this candle to completely live above this 54.50 area. Until you get that, I wouldn't chase it or anything. Oh, you were joking? Okay. Palantir woke up. Really? Hey, Palantir right now is looking like liquidity. We'll see. We'll see. First time ever seen Uber and Tesla fall together. Where's Tesla at? Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. Tesla is trying to. Okay, let's see what they do here. Sometimes Tesla moves too fast, man. Let's see if Tesla can confirm down here. We're not about to sell off, are we? I don't think we would like sell off. This might just be a little pullback. Cause it looks like there might be like some liquidity here potentially. Let's see. You know, in the 30 minutes, like something small. Let's see. Yeah, let's just see how Tesla closes out. What are favorable levels for XRP? Well, let's see. I haven't looked at it since like Nom. Let's see. I think it depends on how long you are. It looks like the next kind of buy area from here would be around like 213. But me, I like to look at the weekly chart. So once again, like a big one it'll probably be another crypto winter. And that's like around this here. I gotta reset it. There we go. But yeah, it's around 66 for me. All right, so the SPY is looking like liquidity. Well, as well as the Qs, so there might be a little short side movement there. Let's see. All right, so yeah, that was a sweep of liquidity up there. That was a good little trade. Did not take, but it's a good little trade. All right, so we're pulling back. Let's see if we can pull the support. Watching QQQ help. The Qs are pulling back right now. That's all I can say. The upper ends of the range on the Qs are 523. There is some liquidity to be swept down at 519, about like 25 or so. So that's what I would watch. That's the move I would like to take if there's something there. Um, nah, no call on the Qs right now. Where do you think Google will get to today? It looks like Google probably done. Ideally, Google pulls back at least to the trend line, if not to like fill in this gap. But yeah, right now, looks like we got some pulling back to do. Where do you think Google would? What are your biggest long-term holdings? I don't know off the top of my head. Let's see. I got So it was AMD, but low key, I think it might be Estee Lauder, EL. Yeah, I like them because they have like a dividend. I'm like, oh, they got a dividend and they're like pushing up. I think EL is my largest holding right now. Even though I don't really talk about them. I think AMD is next. I think I've like kind of sold and took profit on some things. And then let's see what else I got. Got some Elf, Honest, Nike, and SoFi as well. And then let me see, I got some more portfolios. And then honestly, I just have more of those stocks in there. Oh, so got some buying power just chilling in here too. Nice. But let's see. Very welcome, Frank. Made good money with Tesla yesterday. Hey, that's how it often happens with me too. Like with Tesla, like when that's like it's almost when you don't want to trade two days in a row, or not trade, but like you may be able to like ride it for a week or so, but like when it comes to like trading it, it's like yo, I'll make some money from Tesla and I'll give most of it back. Had had left to buy in last night, then today didn't. Oh dang! After rebalancing my stock, crypto allocation post tariffs is 60/40 rather than 70. Hey, it's good that you're balanced though. I don't like balance like that. EL is a good hold. Elf is on it. Yeah, I don't hold a lot of Elf. It's a very little, but like these curve I had got in whenever I had got in Elf when it was like bro, I feel like I want to say like $8, 8.12 or something like that. And I sold it like way early, but yeah, I had gotten in Elf when it was like cheap. I really need to start holding on to these or getting like a few hundred of them. Like especially when they're down like that. So honestly, it's like I probably need to get a couple hundred more shares of Honest. But it's like there's right now, it's like there's so much at some good levels. Glowify, good morning, good morning. Hey, this is your friendly reminder. If you like scroll down and look just below the video, there's this thing, kind of looks like a thumbs up. That is referred to as the like button. Around these parts, we like to smash that, okay? And when you do that, yo, it'll even do a little dance for you. But yeah, that is very much encouraged around here and very well thanked and pleased. So yeah, please and thank you. Smash the like button. I hear a lot about Honest. What is all the hype? It's a boring business. It's a boring business. Their balance sheets improving. They are kind of making themselves a necessity. So Honest, they have a bunch of natural kind of products or natural, like, I don't know. It's like if you look at like your kind of lotions, your soaps, and kind of like baby products and stuff like that. Think like Johnson and Johnson, but the ingredients are good for you, like without the like petroleum and all that. So it's like if I look at myself and kind of how I am with products versus how I am, it's like as the world is waking up and realizing, hey, all this stuff is bad for us, they are turning more towards things like Honest, things that are actually better for them, things that aren't like slowly killing them. And they're gaining market share, profitability, and it's like just over time they're on the trajectory to do well. Why is this morning down? uh I would say this morning is up. If we look on the day, okay, we're 3 cents down on the day, but like we've been up all day. I would just say right now it's a healthy pullback. My little range here, we'll extend the range, but our range is like from this 589 up to this like 592.63. So right now we're just trading in the range. So nothing about this isn't healthy. It's just, hey, it's solid. Whenever we don't know what to do, we just kind of move sideways, waiting to see Honest drop and pull back to buy more. Okay, yeah. Part of me hope it doesn't pull back more. I want it to go up higher so I can like sell a call again, but it's like it'd be nice to get more. I'm not sure if I get more yet because there's other stuff I want, but also maybe. It's like there's so many good sales. You said T is doing pretty well right now, or the call. Oh, did they break that range? Let me see. What did I say the range was? They're testing the range, but yeah, if they push past that level, that's cool. Honestly, you should be a master of AT&T by now, Matt. I should be asking you honestly. Where do you think would be a good entry? So the range on SoFi is from like 1325 to 1350. So a break of one of those levels. If you're trying to get calls though, you said it's like you can try for it now. This is the bottom part of the range right here. It's at the bottom of the range. So ideally, like this would be best entry. So yeah, this would pretty much be it right here. Maybe we come barely sweep that, but yeah, just like thinking like, oh, we're in this range. It'll probably make another move back up closer to 1350. I would say as long as you don't confirm below here, oh, this is a good spot. I mean, I would say you're asking in the right area about it. Like right now, in my eyes, this is just a healthy pullback. Let's see. All right, let's see. Index is the most intelligent buy in my portfolio. For some reason, I hesitate. What do you think? Oh man, I think it's good. I don't love it at these levels, but I think it's a good buy. Yeah, I think it's a good one to like just kind of average into. But it's like me personally, it's like I would like to like when it comes to the Nasdaq, I'm one to kind of like pick out some of my own. So like right now I like Google. Well, I like it less, but I still like Google. Um, Meta, AMD. It's like they're all in the Nasdaq, but it's like I want to buy the things that I think are going to move the most in the Nasdaq. So it's so that the return is there. I like to like shift things around. It's also at the 200 EMA on the 15 minute. Yeah, that's a good level of support. I didn't buy. I will never. No, yeah, Matt. Yeah, I wouldn't listen to me about T either. Like it's like I've always been wrong on. I feel like I've always been wrong when it comes to AT&T. But I do always say like I have no idea like what's going on with that. Yeah, Google is nice. All right, here I'm gonna look at GME again. I see they popped on up on Derive as for a day trade for a short, but it looks like they pulled back to they're oh yeah, they're over they're still overbought. They could do some more pulling back. J Lab, what's up? What's up? Oh, Jab Lab. Oh, what's up, Isaiah? How you doing, man? They're all over Target. Wait, who's all over Target? What's up? Are you talking about like actual Target stock? Let's see. I feel like Target's gonna be that's a good one to pick up long term, like at these levels. I appreciate you, Isaiah. Hey, hope all is up well with you, bro. Feel like it's been a minute since I seen you post anything, but hey, I stay looking out, man. OPFI is on a run. What is that? Let's see. I'm still watching for support. Down here on the what is this? Yeah, I'm still trying to see if we can get to support on the day. Hey, what's up, Arsar? Top of the morning. Oh, this is on a 4 hour chart. I was about to say if this is on a 15, my goodness. So it's up 3% on the week. What is this? Finance, rental, leasing. Is this like a REIT? No, it can't be. It doesn't show dividends. Abercrombie on the day? Oh wait, hold on. Oh yeah, they had earnings. Bro, they have like weird cycles. It's like I know like maybe like a year ago or maybe 2 years ago, they like really started popping just cause I don't know, something to do with TikTok. They were going crazy. Let's see. Yeah, it was like over here. Yeah, they went off and went crazy. On the weekly chart, yo, this was a good buy for them on the weekly, but I think we would have to see how they close out this week first. See if they close out above this I guess this 13 EMA over at 85. I'm gonna let y'all know I'm not personally gonna do anything with it, but yeah, they look like they got some potential. Bought 20, now it's super low. Are you talking about Target when you say you bought 20? Tesla going down is Tesla pulled back to support. And it looks like they swept liquidity here. So it looks like right now Tesla is just playing this range. So from here, next level to watch out is probably going to be about 364 or so. But yeah, there's a good chance Tesla is range bound, so just watch the range. But yeah, I wouldn't necessarily get a short here, just because I thought it just had a trend line. But they are still, as of right now, doing all right here. Let's see how they're looking on their EMAs. Hey, they did cross below on the 5, but let's see how they do. Hey, bull trying to push back up again. Hey, top of the morning, Big Reg. So we're still kind of like easing down today. We'll see what the market gives us. All right, so all right, so I just want to like share this with y'all. It's a D grade. It's a D grade. Like the grade is low, but I see they put out a swing on Nvidia, but the strike is like 129. And the expiration is on the 6th. Honestly, I don't like that because of I don't like it because of the looks like it's targeting this gap fill, but I don't think it's accounting for the implied volatility and everything, so I don't really like that. Let's go through and look at Nvidia. Oh, it's already up. Let's go through and look at the implied volatility on the Nvidia. So right now, this call that's in the money, right now we can see that implied volatility is 114. So the break even on this contract is showing to be 139 when Nvidia is trading at 135. Huh? That's not like too bad. Let's look at the puts. So the expected move here, real quick, the expected move on Nvidia looks like it's about $5. That's what's priced in. So yeah, in order to win on any Nvidia trades, you need it to move further than 140 to the upside. And then if we look at the puts, yeah, it's about the same to the downside too. So yeah, it's like if Nvidia doesn't go above 130 or past 130 or 140, it's like no one really made money unless they were just riding, unless they made money like into it. Hopped into the queues, thought it was headed down. Not so sure. So it can head down more, but right now it's in a range. So right now it's like the game is patience. It's like wait for the entry. So it's like you can get in at the top, you can get in at the bottom, but right now it's in the middle. And I don't know. There's something that say like when you find a range, hey, you don't want to diddle in the middle, and that's what's going on. The honest company products are all over Target. Oh yeah, they got a lot of it at Target. They got like aisles. Like if you go in the baby section, yeah, they're all over Target. Yeah, I'm not sure that's the best for him right now. I know there are some people that are not messing with Target right now, but also Walmart. Walmart's kind of I see people aren't messing with Walmart too anymore, and then Walmart's like trying to raise their prices. I mean, it's business, but yeah, people don't like that either. Had to buy my kids their diapers and creams. Hold on, what's this? What is this? Trump told them that. Yeah, he said that. Yeah, he did tell them to eat their tariffs. Yeah, suck it up, Walmart. I don't know. Hey, D Scurv, let me tell you something, bro. I found this out yesterday. Got so excited, bro. I know there are too many stocks to look at, but AEVA. Hey, we can look at it. What am I expecting from Nvidia? Honestly, if I had to expect something, I expect it to not move. It's like it can, but honestly, I don't expect to move until after. I feel like that's what's going to happen if I had to guess. But hey, back to what I was going to tell you, D Scurv. Bro, yesterday I'm looking on the maps around my house, right? And there's like it's like a couple minutes from my house. I'm looking on the maps and I see Kava. I'm like, whoa. I'm like, there's not a Kava right there. And then I realized it said future development. I'm like, oh shoot. And I'm like, yes, finally some healthier food, kind of like right here. So yeah, I'm with it. All right, let's see. I want to see if we can grab like a. Ideally, we come to support and I grab a call. That's what I'm looking for today. Here, let's see. Do you think SoFi will increase in the next week? Um, SoFi is at the bottom of its range, so I would say this is a good spot to buy a call. If it continues in the range, it should. But yeah, that's all I would say for SoFi right now. It's like I would say the odds look good, but it doesn't matter what I think. You got a Kava by your house. Um, hey, that's good to hear, D Scur. For me, it's like, yo, I got like a McDonald's. I got a Whataburger. I mean, Whataburgers, it's all right, but like most of the stuff that's just like right here. My wife and I share a car, so sometimes it's like, yo, I gotta like walk places, and I'm like, yo, I want something that's within the distance of me walking, where I don't necessarily have to like hit up my friends to like, yo, let's go eat somewhere. I want somewhere I can just go on my own and just not that's still healthy, kind of. So that's a step in the right direction. The only thing I like more than Kava is this place called Piata. Are we going to be bearish the rest of the day again? It's still very early in the day, so it's like I would like to see us hit support, and it's like I think we could bounce off that. We do still have we got the FOMC meeting minutes later. Oh, also I didn't pay attention, but we did also just get the Richmond Manufacturing Index. It came right in line, so it nothing crazy. By that Kava is the new CMG. They've already had like a crazy amount of growth, haven't they? So we got CMG. Here, let's go to the monthly and zoom out. Yeah, this is absolutely insane. And then Kava. Yeah, it's already had like the crazy growth. Hey, yeah, let it pull on back. Oh, I think they might have like some sort of fair value gap at like 37 or so. Hey, we'll definitely get in on that. Tesla's bullish. Yeah, it's still yeah, it held support, so I would say we talked about it before. You mind talking B? Oh, okay. You threw me off when you said Uber tempting. I thought you were talking about Uber. I'm like, this one at 19? Okay, it also pays a dividend. Okay. 10 cents. Is it monthly? Or wait, or is that quarterly? Yeah, I think that's this. Yeah, that's a quarterly. I mean, it's in the middle of its range if you're going on like weekly. So it's like closer to 17 would be nice, but it's chill. Oh, also, hey, want to take the time to remind y'all, there is a Zoom call tonight. Let me post a link on that real quick. Yeah, let me make sure we get that taken care of. Yeah. Where Give me a moment. Let's get this Zoom link posted. Oh, this might be it right here. Is it? Yeah. Yeah, so there's a link to the Zoom call. It's pinned message to anybody trying to roll through tonight. Let me post those real quick as well. Where'd they go? Make sure everyone who wants to go kind of is reminded. Here. Give me a second. All right, let's see. Let me also post that there. Let me throw that on Patreon real quick. Come back to a lower time frame on this too. Let me check in on people. I feel like all caps is all so dramatic. Okay. So got that there. And then just gotta throw it in Discord as well. Let's see. There we go. Cool. All taken care of. Oh, selling off a little bit. A little bit heavier right now. All right, let's see. What time on the Zoom? So, what? It's 7:30 Central Time. 7:30 p.m. Kava been expanding. They even made it to Florida. I would have imagined they'd already been there for a while, bro. I got a good amount of kavas near me, but it's like I gotta drive 20 minutes to get to them. But now that they got this one coming over my way, I'm like, yo, it's like I can walk there and be there faster than 20 minutes. That's better than a 20-minute drive. I'll try to make it if you ever have time off stream. I have a couple questions about my. Hey, that's something that could be addressed on the Zoom. Yes, that is correct, Evil Knievel. Yes. I used to live in MST. Yeah, it's just an hour behind. I like Fresh and Co better. I haven't had Fresh and Co. So no, yeah, Descarve it is. It definitely is. And Chipotle is kind of like they've fallen off. What's the Zoom about? Honestly, it's just going over kind of like basics and stuff. If there's anything that you struggle with, most of the time it's like questions like support and resistance. Most of the time it's like people they want to know a little bit more about. They want greater understanding about drawing supply and demand zones. So I usually have to like give a lesson on that on like how to find the range. It's just back and forth. Like just kind of talking about things. Sometimes it's like, oh, all right, we got this move. It might be we'll have gotten the information on Nvidia earnings, so it could be like a little talk about like, oh, what could happen with Nvidia tomorrow, like after we have the information. So it's like nothing's really off the table. It's just a good time to like interact and like, for me to actually hear y'all's voice and whatnot, aside from it being like so one-sided. You said it's a little later than last time? Is it? Thought it was the exact same time. Let me see. Yeah, it is 7:30. Was it 6:30 last time? I don't know. Let me see if I can. What was the last one, like 2 weeks ago? No, the last one was the last one was two at 7:32. Yeah, it's the same time. Oh, my bad. It's not my bad. It's not 8:30 Mountain Standard. It's 6:30 Mountain Standard. My bad. They're an hour. My bad. We're an hour ahead, and y'all are an hour behind. So yeah, it's 6:30 Mountain Standard Time. Evil Knievel. So it's the exact same time. Where in the Discord was it posted? So it was posted in like the Zoom call section. So it's posted in the Patreon section. But once again, like if you don't have that, I would check the pinned comment in the chat, save that. Cause this is a Patreon perk, but like if you're here on the streams every day too, then it's like you can get in there too as well. Sorry, time zone again. So the time zone is going to be it's Central Time. So it's going to be So it's 7:30 Central Time. 7:30 p.m. Central Time. It is 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is 6:30 Mountain Standard Time. Yeah, so yeah, the call should be in about 10 hours. Would I rather buy 100 shares of Google or Tesla? I think that depends on how long I'm holding it. If I am holding it yeah, it really depends on how long I hold it. I feel like Tesla still has a lot more upside, like if you go like 10 years out, but I don't know, it's like things can dramatically change. All right, here, let me drop in on SoFi real quick. I know they're below their support, and I want to see how they're looking, like if this is just like a sweep of liquidity or if they want to like confirm here, because I know we have some people looking at it. I would love more shares of Google. It's expensive though. I mean, that's what fractional shares are for. What platform am I using? If you're talking about like what's on screen, this is TradingView. So I don't make trades through this, but I use this to chart. All right, so we're selling down a little bit again. Here, let's see where we're looking. Very welcome. Very, very welcome. Y'all give me. Actually, never mind. It's not up. Y'all, I'm gonna throw on a hoodie. It's a little bit cool in here. Do you think Nvidia will have a quick recovery back to this level? If it does, there's no telling. It really depends on kind of the narrative they say. It depends on like how their earning call goes. And then it also kind of depends on Trump and tariffs, and there's like 1,000 things. So it's like there's really no way to know. Unfortunately, this is like one of the worst times to try to play any kind of earnings ahead of time. Well, it's 9:30. We've been looking at the market for about an hour. And let me turn on the 200 EMA too. Let's see where that's supposed to be. It's down at like, okay. Look at the 5 minute. Okay, so the 5 minute here, we're almost at the 2 on the 5, or 200 on the 5. Let's see if we can get to support. Let's see. Dang, the Q's still. It's like the SPY is a lot closer to its support than the Q's is. So it's almost like I would want to see the Q's like kind of pull back to support too. I don't know. They need to get a little more matched up. But yeah, now I see we're 58% green, but the market is increasingly red on the day. But I would say it still looks like, actually no, not fully. Yeah, we'll wait on it a little bit. I'm gonna go back up to a 15 though, or let's check the 10. I still think support's a good buy. Making that move. Trying to figure out how to configure different brokerage accounts for margin, cash, for options, futures, crypto, etc. So I have Robinhood as my margin account. Just because when it comes to doing like higher level stuff, I feel like they're the easiest to get approved to do those things. So it's like I like to use margin accounts to do kind of like almost tricky stuff to make trades free and all that. But that's how I do that. And then I have like a Roth on Robinhood too. I want that to be a cash account, but right now there's like some longer options open on it, so I can't change that until those get closed. And then you said was options. Well, I would use the margin for options. You could use the margin for futures as well. You could also, yeah, once again, I would say, yeah, Robinhood can do all that. I haven't tried it all on Moomoo. I'm not sure Moomoo. Yeah, I'm not sure Moomoo has futures. Hey, good morning, Josh. Hey, everything's been well. And when it comes to movement, so yeah, we started up. We're like making our way down. Think I might look at grabbing a call here in a moment. We'll see. Here, let's try to see if there's like a area for a stop loss or anything. So we got liquidity here. Here, let's see. So yeah, if I were to take a trade, probably look something like, I don't know if I would put it all the way in the back, but here, let's zoom in a little bit. Yeah, it might look something like that. Probably not all the way up here though. That would be what I was looking at. Ally is a dividend payer. I dollar cost average when I can, hoping patience will pay off. I have an Ally account. I banked with them, but I think I ultimately ended up using SoFi. Okay, SPY's approaching. It is approaching. Hold up. Let's see. Derek, good morning. We have some lurkers in the house. Hey, family. Yeah, this is a friendly reminder. Yo, there are about 30 of you doing something we refer to as lurking, which is where you don't. Oh wait, hold up. We got a little potential little entry right here. Let me hop in a little focus or get a little focus. All right. Here, so I'm gonna clear this out right here. Zoom out a little bit. And we're approaching a little entry. Let's see. Let me see what happens if I get an extra day. It's the delta. Oh, let's go. That's all right too. Are we gonna sweep it? Let's see. Hey, we're pretty close right now. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to see this. See if we end up actually hitting, or if we're just gonna come like right there and then just, I don't know. I would really like to. Yeah, we're like right there. Yeah, they're trying to play with me right now. All right, well, we'll just let it sit. Kind of going back to it. Um, Let me take a look at AEVA on the weekly. So it looks bullish, but also it's very overbought. Right now, I would say support's going to be around like 10 or so. Yeah, it's going to be around 10. And when it comes to demand, that's going to be around like $8 or so. Bro, hold up. I know this SPY is not trying to take off right now. I'm going to need that to... Oh, I'm going to watch this on the 5 real quick. I'm going to need it to chill out with all that. Bring that on back down. Contract I was looking at already ran up like 20 in that little time right there. Need them to chill out with all that. But yeah, AEVA, like it's on a bullish trend, but I would like to pick it up. Like if I were getting it anywhere from like 8 to 10, even got like a gap right here on the weekly down to 11.05. That's kind of how I see it on the weekly. All right, let's see. I only used to see it here in Colorado. Now they got one on the corner away. It's wild. Lurkers trying to get us to El Salvador. Hey, be sure to hit that like button. Yo, we got 117 on chat. We just need 17 of y'all. Come through, smash the like button, save the chat. Yeah, the Q's slowly dropping. They're not like dropping quite at the pace of the SPY, but the Q's is dropping as well. Or I guess the Q's are dropping as well. Hey, we're still trying to make progress on this move to the downside on the Q's possibly. It didn't exactly make it equal low. It didn't exactly sweep. So I'm trying to hope that we can get the push. It's like there are buyers there. They don't want to just push it there. They trying to shake us out. All right, let's see. I will not be going to El Salvador today. Oh yeah, let's we gotta get us out of El Salvador. All right, hey, top of the morning, the victory match. My devices wouldn't let me holler. Hey, glad you could do it now. The C word might be back in Japan and New York. Just heard it. MD and oh, okay, that C word. Interesting. Is it like bad? Here, I need to hop on my ground news real quick. Hey, good morning, Video Rillo. Here, let me hop on my ground news real quick. I got like eight. No, I need to turn on my notifications for this. Hey Matthew, ever heard or used Bookmark Map? So there's this one guy on YouTube. His name is, or his channel name is Stock Market Live. He'll use that sometimes. So I've like seen him use it, but no, I have not, like myself. Here, let's see. Here, let me see if we can you said that one thing is back in Japan and stuff. I don't know. Yeah, I don't necessarily see anything about it. Let me search Japan. Spy going lower. I'm hoping. I'm hoping we can push a little bit lower. I don't see anything about it, M sense. Spy going. Oh yeah, hold up. All right, let's. Are we gonna hit it? We gonna hit it? The plan. Oh yeah. Okay, I get what you're saying now. I was like, what is that? But I got you. That's that's what it looks like. M sense is saying. I appreciate you, M sense. Yo, four more, and we're free. I feel like it's crazy. We gotta fight for these 100 every day. I don't know. We're trying to hold up here. I would like the queues to come down so we can make our move up if we're gonna do that. Oh, should we? Hey, one more. I could make it happen right now if I was about it. Hey, we're in a position where I can save us if need be. Queues come on down. Hey, honestly, yeah, let's bring it down. Let's not take our time. They're trying to be rude right now. Trying to make us wait. All right, trying to come on down. Bring it on down. If only the stock market moved in a straight line. It'd be so simple to just hop and ride in on the trend. None of this pulling back. It's like, yo, just get off when you need your money. When you see that curve, it's like, okay, cut out. NVD is a 2x inverse for Nvidia. Um, yeah, it would be if you're actually trading the stock. It's like if you see it going down and you want to ride on that. Yeah, it's like if you have to play the earnings. Me personally, it's like I'm gonna leave it alone just because I'm not gonna be sitting there whenever the stuff is moving at earnings. But yeah, if you're trying to like get some quick scalps in, you can probably get some larger scalps in with that. Yeah, we're down here, but like nothing's going on. Yes, those work too. M sense. Those would also work. But once again, that's just if you're trying to take advantage of it. Like that's going to be the only way you're able to take advantage of the after hours movement. Because honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if Nvidia goes up big after hours and goes down big after hours, and then like ends up in the same spot it's in right now tomorrow. So like the only way to for sure. Okay, okay, SPY. Okay, we're getting that little cross. Wait, what's going on? Hold up. Hold up. I had an order. I accidentally had two orders, so I couldn't put the order I was trying to put in. Yo, I'm gonna need to chill. Dang, hold up. I was trying to move. All right. Probably could have got a better price, but I grabbed the 593 call that expires tomorrow. Let's see if we can catch any movement. The trade begins now. Let me alert the family. Just grabbed 593 SPY call that expires. What is it? May 29th. Paid. I think what I pay? 174 per share. All right, let's see how this holds up. And let's add it to the watch list. So SPY, what is it? 593. There we go. Add it to the watch list. There we go. All right. Can you sell Nvidia stock after? Yeah, you can sell the stock. Yeah, if it's the actual stock, you can do that. When it comes to the options contracts, nope. But yeah, when it comes to the stock, yeah, you can. Oh shoot, we hit our. Hey, we did it. 100 likes. Appreciate y'all, family. Hey, we are free. Yet again, free indeed. All right, so here, yeah, we got our 15-minute candle. We touched this liquidity down here. Now let's give it some time, see if we can find some buyers. I always love the energy, Lucky J. When's the last time you bought two contracts? This is the second time I bought two contracts and only see the profit of one when I close the trade. I don't know. It kind of just depends. Kind of just depends. Wait, hold up. I didn't even think about my day trades. I just took that trade. Hold up. I feel like I'm good, but I'm not sure. I have one. I'm hoping I can spread that, but do you usually go for calls where the delta is? No, so I had a budget with that. My budget was 200. So that's what was going on there. This is kind of like supposed to be a day trade. We'll see if it ends up playing out because it's trying to push down. But yeah, this is supposed to be a day trade. So it's like when you clicked on the video, it said trading with $200. I just grabbed the best contract I could get for 200, but I didn't want the same day expiration because of the fact that they close it early. So at least getting tomorrow's expiration allows me the opportunity to ride it should I see fit to like ride it towards like the last hour or whatnot. But yeah, once again, I got the contract I got based off the budget. If I could get the 592, I would have got the 592, but it was a little bit over budget. Did you meet your weekly goal yet? Not this week. So when it comes to the challenge, I would say this week I'm kind of paused. Like I uploaded the video from last week, but this week I'm kind of paused because I failed the previous week, so I need to get it funded back up, and it's like it takes like 4 or 5 days for it to get in there. So I'm kind of just paused on that right now. But yeah, if I didn't get stopped out yesterday, would have hit it for this account. 3 red candles showing on it. Really? Oh no. I'm gonna need that to chill out. I really want that to not play out once in a while. D curve. Dang, hold up. I really like. It's like maybe if we can get like a small push, maybe I'll just take that. That's not a good look though. Hold up, let's go back to the 30. Oh, we still got like 2 minutes on this candle too. That's not cool. Yeah, maybe I close it out for the L. Bro, I'd like to think we could at least get a move to like 590 though first. Let me get like a stop in. When I told you about picking up SoFi calls, I waited to see if it would confirm up or down, but it dropped some more. So yeah, there is some liquidity at 310. It's like I like it less now, but there is liquidity there at 310, so let's see. It's like on the 4-hour chart, I like that more. $588 should be the bottom. All right, we'll see. I'm gonna still look for confirmation on the SPY. Good luck, make money. Hey, I'm hoping it can bounce back up on the SPY. All right, that's all we're looking for. I don't see the market going back up to its high of day. No, yeah, it's always better when it goes for the downside first. But it's possible. We got some things that could still occur. And we haven't confirmed outside this area yet. So until like we get confirmation below here. Oh, hold up. I'm going to stay in the trade as if we're still trading that range, cuz it's like we technically are until we get like a little, hold up. There we go. Okay, pushing up a little bit. See if we can get a quick little push. No bouncing right now. I'm in a put. Nah, we need the bounce. Need the bounce. It's like it can continue down, but hey, a bounce is a necessity right now. All right, let's see. Well, we bought that for. Oh, I got it for 174 per share. All right, so it's up. Let's see. It's like I wanna set like a stop too. It kind of did me dirty yesterday though. What was it? View all. Oh wait, no, I would hit sell. Stop market. What do you think about corporate bonds? Or hey, honestly, I that's not anything I'm versed in, so I can't even tell you what I think about it. I would say I'm not that sophisticated of an investor when it comes to like talking about bonds and stuff. Hey, welcome to the family. Sick with it. Oh, sick with it. Okay. And it's like I am honestly surprised I was able to read that. Like I was just like, oh yeah, let me try to sound out the spellings, and I'm like, oh wait, hold up, that actually kind of spells something if the ones are I's. So I was like, no way. But hey, welcome to the family. Hey, top of the morning, Cheaty. 70-35 on TQQQ, and I'll be happy to hop in a call. All right, let's see. Okay, pushing up a little bit on the SPY. Yeah, let's see it. Let's see it. All right, so it's up 10. All right, so I got my stop loss in, so I won't lose on this trade now. So that's good. And it's like I might take it and move it up a little later, but yeah, we got the stop loss in, and it's like part of me is afraid to say the exact level I have it in, cause it's like I don't know. There's something like every time that I call out a level, it's like someone's like, yeah, let's push it back to that level, and let's kill the move. Okay, I think I'm gonna move my stop loss again. Let me go to a 5 to see where these candles are real quick. Let's see how we do with these EMAs right here on the 5. Let's see. Honestly, if the market closes above opening, I'm cooked. That's a You said above opening. So if the market closes above like 591 or so, like a little around that area, that's not like too far of a move. What is support for the SPY? Uh, this morning was about 589.50. But right now, we want to see how it does at this 200 EMA. That's around like 589.86. You said what call? I had grabbed the 593 call that expires tomorrow on the SPY. Just trying to see how this momentum plays out on the SPY. See if we get continued momentum or if it like or if we're going to continue to the downside. Cause it's like there's a sweep of liquidity, but then we got these curves, legendary candles, and those candles, hey, they don't lie most of the time, or like pretty much every time. But also there's like I feel like there's nothing that works 100% of the time in the market. So I'm hoping like just once. Hold up, y'all. I'm gonna open the door and make a face at my wife real quick. Make sure the market don't do anything too crazy while I'm doing this. All right, y'all, we back. Oh, the SPY trying to pull back. I say y'all hold it up. What do you think of hymns? Um, no thoughts right now. No thoughts right now. It's like it's a stock. It can run, but I would want to pick it up in at lower levels than where it is now. Yeah, I may end up getting stopped out of my call. We'll see. It's about in that range now. Yeah, I think I'm about to get stopped out. Let's see. Yeah, I got stopped out. Oh no. It's like now they're gonna try to run it up too. I made like $2 though. Everyone got stopped out. $2 and profit on SPY call. Might be headed down. Yeah, we'll see what happens there. But here, let's take a look. Good time for a call. Here, let's look. So no, right now, looking at Hims, nah, Hims is trending down. I mean, it's at support, so I would kind of like wait and see how it does here, but nothing is like edging me towards a call or anything. I would kind of be, I'm leaning more towards waiting for the break to the downside. What does he say? Also, Tim's maybe. Are you talking about Tim? I don't know. Honestly, it kind of just depends on you. It's at the 13 on the weekly, but the way Tim trades is like so weird for me. I would want to see it get oversold again. So I probably want to see it around like 48 for me to play upside on it. I have 16 left. Off the top of your head, name a caller or put. If only I worked like that. So I stopped out on my Q's put to watch it dip. That's how the market does. That is how the market does. I made $2. Hey, profit is profit. Wonder how Nvidia earnings is going to affect the market. We'll see. Nvidia, if they don't destroy their earnings though, then they'll come down. So hey, just a heads up. At 1 p.m. today, we do have this going on. So there is a good chance that we'll see movement there too. Which way? I don't know. Matthew, what's up? Yeah, I don't have options that I can just throw out like that. There's no conviction. I will also say most of the time when there's nothing just obvious there, it's usually better to not trade. Here, let me look at the 15 on the Qs again. Honestly, that looks pretty bearish. Yeah, so it's cool. We got out with a little profit. This is probably going to end up hitting my stop. Still want to like watch it, see what happens, but you said answer question exactly. I answered your question like twice. It's like, hey, I don't know if you're getting ads, but if you're not getting ads, Hey, listen a little closer. Just name something, or I'm calling my girlfriend who knows not. Honestly, hey, sometimes these females be on something. They sometimes they lead us to some good things. They might be like, oh, I just bought this at the store. Yo, check this out. And then it's like, oh, next thing you know, it's like, oh yeah, it was popping. Like, imagine if your girlfriend's like, oh, no, I don't know, I just got something at Abercrombie and Fitch. And then boom, yo, next thing you know, you're like, I'm going to take a shot on that Abercrombie and Fitch call. And then next thing you know, what was it? The ticker. Next thing you know, it's like, boom, you grab something out of the money, boom, like runs up to 105. And it's like, whoa. And you're like, baby, I'm taking you back to, you said she calls it almost every day. Hey, I don't know what you're doing with me then, Matthew. I don't know. It's like women statistically are better traders than men. They're like more calculated. It's like if you actually like teach her if you can get her to focus on the fundamentals, and then you just have her like if you can subconsciously like teach her without realizing you're teaching her, and then like just ask her what she thinks, but without any pressure, bro, that might be the formula to like, that might be your winning trade formula. The $16, you're gonna have to find something with a low delta. Honestly. Or like find something like way out of the money with a lot of time. So you gotta have like some patience. I told her so many times I would love for her to sit here with me. Like sometimes, hey, sometimes y'all gotta have y'all's own things too, though. You know, sometimes when you spend too much time together, be a little suffocating. Uh, you're looking for something to blow $16 on. If you're trying to blow it, I don't know. So there's Nvidia. Here, let's see. What kind of expiration? I don't even know what. Yeah, what kind of expiration are you looking for? It's already earning. Entered this morning. Google January 16th call. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Love to hear it. Hey, that's what the markets do. High risk, high reward. Once again, like what kind of expiration are you looking for? What do you think is going to happen with Nvidia, Matt? It's like we can look at a AMD sympathy, see if there's anything for 16. So AMD, if you were trading this week, so you could get a 123 AMD call. Maybe, hold up. Or you can jump out to 124. And then, what is it? Here, let's look at AMD. Actually, let's see what the puts would be like. Let's see. I almost like, I just see that gap there. Yeah, I would say like, hey, look, AMD 104 put expiring this Friday. And then what's this? We got a gap down, like a gap fill to AMD at 103. And it's like there's a little resistance up here at 116. We already bounced off this trend line. So there's a chance we come down. First fill would be a 110. But yeah, if we get like if Nvidia disappoints, they're probably still going to beat. But if they disappoint, if they don't beat like people want them to beat, yo, AMD could come down there and fill that, and then that end up being like 100 something. Do you need 100 shares of SPY to trade calls? No, you don't. Okay, now the SPY is popping a little bit. A little bit. SPY is popping. Don't know if it's gonna hold on, but no, you don't need 100 shares to trade the options. You just need 100 shares to execute the options. So ideally you just buy the contracts. Yeah, the SPY, the Qs, yeah, those are coming down if Nvidia comes down. I will say, like, looking at the charts, like the SPY, the Qs, and everything, they look like they're in areas where they could come down, but also just like when it comes to just the market and the buying, yeah. Matt, that's the expiration I said. I would call that's a good kind of lotto. It's like maybe you can look out an extra week. Let's see. Wait, where'd it go? Let's see how much it is for an extra week of time. Oh, yeah, that adds a lot of money. Oh, wait. Yeah, I would. It was like you said you're trying to blow it. The one where I think like the risk to reward is still like high, like really high risk, but I think that's the best risk to reward. But also, there's a SoFi that oh, you said done. Okay. I was gonna say there's also SoFi that who was talking about it a moment ago? It's already overhyped because everyone. Oh, AMD is not overhyped. AMD like it's like Wall Street is like kind of sleep on AMD. AMD is not overhyped. It's like over here, AMD was overhyped. But it's like while all this has been going on, it's like we were paying all this for AMD over here. The balance sheet has just been increasingly getting better while this has been happening. So, nah, not overhyped. It's like eventually it'll line up. SPY lower highs, higher lows. Wait. Oh, you said not AMD. Okay. Oh, okay. Cool. Yeah. And the only reason they're overhyped is because they keep like destroying their levels. So it's like they're overhyped with good reason. Here, you said on the 3 minute. Oh, hold up. That's the one. Hold up. Let's, what is it like? Oh, wrong chart. I was trying to look at it over here. Okay. Yeah, we can watch the SPY on the 3. Yeah, now I want to just see it like slide its way down. You said it's all over the news. Yeah, that it is. All right, yeah. Let's see These curve candles do their thing. These legend candles, come on, bring it down. Honestly, yo, let's bring it down to this 86 level, 586. I'm not gonna take any more trades, but so I got my $2 today, but uh we'll let it kind of do its thing. I'm gonna move some money to my Roth though. There we go. Roth is down like 1% on the day. Oh dang, I see some people try to like hop in on the Zoom extra early. All right. Hey, DGZ, good morning. Good morning. The riot, the Roth, that Roth IRA move is impressive. I would like, appreciate that, D community. Yeah, just yeah, when we got the money, transfer a little bit to it every day. Ideally, I make the money and then I transfer a larger amount, but I just made like $2 today, so. We'll let it be. Glad I waited on the 5 minute to close above its backdrop. Yeah. Doing this little drip drop. So overbought is technically it's over 70 normally. And then here, let's see. Over 70 is typically overbought. Okay, yeah, that's overbought though. Joby is overbought. This one has some hype like sometimes before. But yeah, usually I like to when I see it over 80. Here, I might swing a put on this one. Here, let's see. Wait, let me check news on it real quick. Joby Aviation secured a $250 million investment from Toyota to aid in certifying and producing its electric air taxi, boosting shares by 10%. So they kind of ran 27% since then. Let me see how they're doing on some lower time frames. 1 hour. Yeah, I might try to swing a put. Might be kind of high risk. Let's see how much it's going for real quick. Call, put. Let me get like a week. All right, let's see how much it would be if I. No, I'll just. Let me see if I can get that mid price. All right, yeah, I grabbed a put on Joby for June 6th. And yeah, I paid 45 per share. This is I just grabbed it strictly because it's like very overbought. But know that there's a news catalyst and it could definitely get even more overbought. So did I take a screenshot? Let me. Oh no, I did not. Let me. Just bought a, what was it, 8.5 Joby put expiring June 6, paid 45 per share. Buying because it's overbought, but it's very well possible that it could keep running. There we go. So let's see. Patience. Yes, patience is a virtue. I'm okay with my decision earlier. Instead of buying Bitcoin or XRP, I got one share of Google. In my book, yeah. At these levels, I would say Google. Like me personally, I think Bitcoin, if it doesn't close this week above like 110, like a solid close above 110, I think we're gonna make our way back down. I think it'll have a decent pullback again, but we'll see. Google, whereas Google can pull back too, but I feel like Google, like percentage wise, I feel like you'll see better yields on the year, but we'll see. Uh-oh, stop loss just sold some XRP. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Let's see. XRP. Here, let me add Joey to the list real quick, just so there we go. All right, where is XRP? Just looks like it's selling off. It doesn't look like anything too crazy, but yeah, it looks like from here there's a solid like gap down to like 213 or so. So I don't. Here, let me check Bitcoin real quick too. Yeah, we'll kind of see. Yeah, Bitcoin not trying to spend too much time above 110. Here, let's look at Bitcoin on like the weekly real quick. Yeah, look. So Bitcoin right now, if we look at Bitcoin, it looks like it's sweeping liquidity over here. January, the liquidity from January. If it is doing that, then watch out, crypto. But if not, oh, here, let's see. Patience pays, haste waste. Yes, sir. Nvidia coming back up. Let's see. A little bit. It's like a tight little range today. Oh, actually, that's almost like a solid dollar move up. Yo, 213. I got buy orders ready. Okay. Yo, Scurv, I'm thinking puts on Nvidia. It's like I'm very uneasy. Honestly, it's almost like I would lean towards puts too. Honestly, I hope Matt makes a bag off that play. I hope he does. I don't think I'm in anything that'll really be hurt. I think I'll be cool if things go down. I'm not in any like call. I have like some calls from a long time ago, but I'm not in anything. Yeah, the market is waiting on some data to digest. Like later today, we got like the Fed minutes being announced. I'll wait on Nvidia. Yeah, I'm personally waiting too. So I'm just yeah, we'll just do our little weighty thing, little weighty weight. Oh, hold up, I got Elon Musk XAI partners with messaging app Telegram in $300 million Grok deal. Okay. You mean the 103 AMD put? I think the 103 AMD not crazy. 103 Nvidia that is going to slap the market down, like just slap the market down. News moved Tesla yesterday to Elon saying he was back 24. Oh. Oh shoot, I see my wife outside. What's she doing? Looking all cute. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. That's what she's doing. All right. How do I feel about Palantir? I'm not touching it at this price. I'd like to. It's like I'll consider it around 80, but it's a little high right now, in my eyes. If Nvidia goes up, yeah. If Nvidia goes down to 103, hey, my portfolio is going to see a little injection. Hey, looking at Bull again. Hey, Bull is doing his thing right now. Hey, shout out to Bull. Go Bull. Yeah. Actually, real quick, I didn't even. Oh yeah, we will. Yo, it's still trying to make some moves. Okay. Hey, we're here for it. Here for it. We will see you in the 14s. If you want to get up to 22, I won't be mad. I'm here for it. Here, let's see. Don't you like when you see them unexpectedly and enjoy the view? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what we like. It's like I expect to see my wife when I walk out this door, but she will not be there. But yeah, see her walking across the parking lot. That's cool too. Oh yeah, don't mind me with just a casual golf club in my hand. Are you holding any spy calls or nah? Not at the moment. I got stopped out of that spy call. Luckily, got like $2 profit. But wait, is that spy call like higher now? Like hold up, the call is like higher. Hold up. I think this moved though. This was not up here. I think this should be like down here. I don't know how that moved up there. But yeah, I had a call on the spy. Honestly, it's still kind of holding up a little bit, a little bit. It's like it can catch some volume. We just got Euro close, and like I don't know. Hold on, low key, I need to look at yesterday. So I got off because it's like, yo, I feel like I like looked at the market. Like I didn't look at the market till this morning. I'm like, dang. I was like, what happened? So yesterday got off stream about, I guess the market was at like 589. Close of day. It closed out the day at like 591. Okay, so it still kind of ran. And then like I also had looked at the Tesla chart this morning. I was like, dang. So yesterday when I got off stream, where are we at? This is the 1 hour chart. Let me go to a 30. So yesterday with Tesla, it was probably about like 12:55. Then it closed the day out. Yeah, it closed the day out at like 363. I'm like, I was like, dang. Hold up, y'all. Let me see. My wife is having some complications. Y'all, I might have to go. Yeah, I think I might have to go. Having some complications. I need to go help my wife. But real quick, let me see. Hey, Ian. I started like by buying stocks. I dropped out of nursing school. And like I was like, yo, I'm not gonna be making the money I thought I was. I got on YouTube, like looked up ways to make money, and just learned about investing. And then I saw something talking about like not trading options. I was like, ooh, what's that? And yeah, I kind of been it ever since. Not really, not really. So it's like I like golf. It's cool. It's a little bit newer for me. It's like I gotta get my form down and stuff. Like low key, like it makes the muscles in my back tight. So I don't know. That spy call. Yes, I jumped out. I got stopped out like $2 in profit. So I bought it for like 174. I got stopped at 176. I set the stop loss after it moved up, but then it came back down. So, all right, family. So yeah, I'm gonna go help my wife. Thank you each and every one of y'all for stopping by. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life, yo. Probably gonna miss some names today, but peace out, M Sense, peace out, Majeda Gator, peace out, Guitar Guy, peace out, Matt, peace out, Goonie, peace out, D Scurv, peace out, Anil, peace out, Ian, peace out, Bread Guy, peace out, Evil Knievel, peace out, Master DRC, peace out, Josh, peace out, Christine, peace out, Maddie, peace out, Achuhu, peace out, Elegant Boom, peace out, Lucky J, peace out, Lemon, peace out, Dwight. Hey, yo, y'all stay blessed. I'll catch y'all, family. See y'all tomorrow. Or like if you're in the Zoom tonight, if you want to, hey, save the link right now. That's pinned comment. I'll catch y'all, family. Peace out, Corey. All right, see y'all. Bye. Oh wait. And I have no idea, M Sense. I just want to see it lower. If it's lower in the morning, I'll cut out.